Now, for this particular video, I want to focus back on this Discover tab. And one of the things that you can do then is click on My Stuff. Now, one of the things that is going to be coming from the district is going to be assessments that people have written for each unit of study. So unit one, no matter if you're teaching 6th, 7th, or 8th, there's an assessment for it. And generally speaking, at Portage, I'll be sharing those individually. And when you get those, you're going to click on My Stuff. And then if you click Shared with Me, this will open up. Now notice there's no shared lessons per se. However, you see the blue button over here that says Show Assessments. If you click there, when I actually share the test with you, you'll actually see full access to it. Now, as it turns out, Mr. Malone wrote a quiz last year for the poetry uh, portion of a unit that we were doing. So he wrote that. That's why you can see that on mine. Yours won't have that. Yours will actually have the one that I share with you. So when we get to common assessments at the end of each unit and those get distributed through the district, I'll be sharing those there. The other thing then that you can do is you can actually create your own assessments. And when you create your own assessments, there's a whole big process that you can do, but you basically take an assessment of something that you've already seen, whether it's a unit assessment, it can be an individual reading passage, etc. You can create your own assessment. So you don't exactly have to do question for question everything that HMH provides for you. You can actually hit this create button, which I'll do in a separate video. But anytime you want to work on assessments, this is where you access it by hitting My Stuff, My Assessments. Common assessments will be in this folder called Shared with Me, and those things will come in right here, which we'll get into more details later.